Okay, friends of Facebook, of View Galleries. Hello, I'd like to show you something that I think many of you are interested to. I'm talking about the Unreal Engine 4. But before of that, I want to tell you how I created the terrain I have imported inside the engine. So here you can see the simple, very simple terrain. This is a macro by Quad Spinner. This is a Neoflow, always by Quad Spinner geoglyph. This is an erosion node. This is my colorized macro, and these are all the output. I want to show you the overlay output. This is the terrain I've exported in a Unreal Engine. You can see it's really well done. It's quite detailed, so a good test. I'm talking about terrain of very high resolution, 8192 pixel by 8192 pixel. So I exported the height field map and the texture in PNG format, and I imported it in Unreal Engine. This is the result. You can see here the main view and all the settings. The menu, as you can see, is not so difficult to understand. Here you have got all the objects in the world you are creating. To set the atmosphere, for example, you can work here on the light source. This is the sun. If you want to compare with view, this is the sort of Atmo tab, and this is the settings for the sphere that control the clouds. Here we don't have volumetric clouds, but these are this is an alpha plane basically with clouds animated, and you can decide the opacity, the speed of the clouds, and so on. So I'd like to show you a little journey in real time in this terrain. You can see it is really smooth. This is a full resolution terrain. Even if I think the texture appear a bit more detailed in a world machine, but this is a great terrain, great surface, and I think it's really awesome. Now we are moving through the terrain. It's really slow because we are talking about a very big area, but you can see how smooth it is and how awesome it is to work in real time. And of course now I'm working on an empty, almost empty scene. Rocks are missing, plants and trees are missing, and water, for example, that I like to add in this scene is missing, but I think I'll work on it, and I'll add all these objects in the scene to see how it works, and if I am able to build a nice scene even using this software. That is a completely new experience for me. I'd like to show you something, a little work nearest to the base of the terrain. For example, here. Okay. There are this wonderful effect of the sun in real time. You can see the clouds that are moving, and I don't know if you can see if you can hear the sound effects, the default sounds of a nice wind and some birds that is a little bit odd for this scene, but it's nice to hear these sounds while you are working on this terrain. Okay, thank you for watching this little demo. I hope you will forgive me if I publish this video that is absolutely out of topic. I did it just because I know many of you have interest to see how Unreal Engine 4 works. Thanks for watching.